A3 paper scanning capabilities with high-speed duplex scanning, business use image scanners, the Ricoh fi-7480 series. The fi-7480 has a compact design that fits on a desk, but also supports A3 documents. Up to 100 sheets of A4 paper can be loaded at a time, and high-speed two-sided scanning handles 80 pages per minute and 160 images per minute. More pages can be added during scanning, making this the ideal scanner for large volumes of documents. When scanning starts, the brake roller separates the document page by page for reliable feeding. The paper feeding is further stabilized by the straight paper path, which eliminates strain on the pages, and multi-feed detection, which correctly detects the paper thickness. The skew reducer avoids misalignment of the next sheet due to a skewed document. This prevents scanned images from missing edges and also paper jams. Furthermore, the stacking control function prevents stacks of paper from becoming misaligned, thereby reducing the time needed to tidy them and enabling you to quickly move on to your next job. The scanner can accurately scan a wide range of documents with different sizes and thicknesses, from thin A3 paper to plastic cards. Manual single mode can smoothly scan even A2-sized bifolded documents, envelopes, and multi-layered documents. In addition, differently sized documents can also be scanned at the same time. The independent side guides can easily feed paper of different sizes, and the images are cropped and saved according to each size, reducing the workload. The scanner also has a paper protection function, which detects paper jams based on the two factors of sound and relative position. You can work confidently in the knowledge that your precious document will be protected. Maintenance of the fi-7480 is easy, preventing any obstructions to the workflow. An imprinter option is available, which enables an identification number to be added onto the scanned pages. This improves the efficiency of document verification work. Scanning a wide range of documents quickly and reliably.